In today's video, I will guide you step-by-step process of how to create an Instagram account professionally. In this video, I will guide you every step in detail, just make sure to watch till the end. The very first thing you need to do is go to Play Store and download Instagram mobile application. Once you installed Open Instagram app, when you will open this page will appear. If you already have an account, simply log in by your email and password. If you want to forgot your account password, then tap on Forgot Password. But now, we are creating new account, so we will click on Create New Account. Here it is, asking for our mobile number. If you want to create with number, put your number, but I will create with my email, so I will click on Sign Up with Email. Here, I will put my email, and we'll press Next. It will send a verification code to my Gmail. Simply, I will put that code, and we'll click on Next. If you have not received code, you can click on I didn't get the code, and it will send again the same code to your Gmail. Here, create your password. Then it will ask to select your date of birth. Make sure to select above 18, otherwise you might face some issues, and press Next. Here, type your name or type whatever you want. Then create your username, or you can select the same as your name. There is no any issues. And last, press Next. Then press I agree. Now it is asking to add profile picture. You can upload from your device or can take live picture through your mobile camera as well. Here, click Allow if you want to add your contacts to be your Instagram friends. There will be some formalities like this, and your Instagram account will be created. Now your Instagram account has been created, but if you want to set up it as business page or like brand, then click on this video right now in which I've guided through how to set up business Instagram page for your business. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.